Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris with a more majestic home decor and DIYs. This is a challenge, Useful DIY Challenge February 2020. And the host for this is MomDas Life Handmade and Sarah from Creative Rumbling. So sit back and relax and let's get started. I decided to go with these two clear jars here. I'll be using chalk paint, white chalk paint, and this is the brand I'm using here. And to apply the paint, I'll be using these Dollar Tree sponge brushes. From the last time I used it, if that's the consistency of it, or is it from... So I'm just going to continue to do this, and I'm pretty sure I'm just going to add one coat to this. That's all I need, is one coat. Now once it dry, I have both jars already fully painted. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put my label on these jars. These the paint I plan to use. And this is my layout I decided to go with. Next, I'm applying my chalk paint, my black chalk paint. And this is the complete outline of my label that I'll be painting. So I'm painting this jar and adding the final touches to this jar. Then I'll do the same pattern to the second jar. I would like to thank our wonderful hostess for this challenge, and a playlist will be listed down below. And don't forget to go check out the complete playlist. Then I decided to add more details. And this is Dollar Tree cord that I'll be using to wrap the top of the jars. And I'll be using these flowers from the Dollar Tree to add the details to the flower arrangements. And these are some that I just had that I just want to see how it would look in the jars. What do you think? You tell me when you see the finished look. Okay, so this is one look here. And this is the final look. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. And don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. And of course, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, come back and join me here on a more adjusted home decor and DIY. Thank you, amores.